Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Turbotax app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here until you're looking for Turbotax app. So or just click on search. Then here at Turbotax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to this list, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. You search here for Turbotax, it's going to show for you like this. We'll find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.